Congratulations on being approved as a vendor. When you open this email and scroll to the bottom, you will see that your request for being a vendor was approved. You can now go to the administration area and sign in to start setting up your store. You will see that your login information is listed here, with your email being the login name and then a password which was generated randomly. If you highlight it and copy the password by pressing Ctrl+C, it will make it easier to sign in. When you click this link, it will take you to the administration panel where you can sign in with your login email. You can then press Ctrl+V and paste your password into this box and click Sign In. Welcome to your dashboard. The next thing that you are going to want to do is click around and see what you have available to you. For example, here you can see all of your orders that have been made, any sales report and shipment information. Under products, you can see what categories are available for your products. You can add products or edit ones that you've already made. You can see what different features or filters or options are available. You can see your customers. You can make blog posts or create new pages. And of course, you can sign up as a vendor with all of your information. We are going to click here. So if you can just click on the button that says vendors, and then where it says vendors again, you will see the name that I created was test, and you are going to click there. This is where you can now fill in all of the information about your company. Please make sure that your company name is correct, because this is what customers will see when they are purchasing from you. You, of course, will have an active status, so you shouldn't need to change that. And then you can choose which language you would like to fill in all of your fields with. So probably you will choose either English or French. I'm going to leave it as English for today. Your email and your address should already be populated because when you signed up, you put in that information. If you didn't do it before, now would be a good time to fill this in. Back up at the top, next you will see add-ons. You will see here a button that says SEO. What that means is search engine optimization. You want someone coming to your store to see your company name in the URL, which is listed up here. The default is /test in this case, and I'm okay with that, so I will leave it. Next, you will see description. Once again, this is what I had typed into the initial sign up box, but of course this would be a fabulous time to enhance the description of your company for customers who are coming to see information about your store. If you click the next button, you will see that it says logos. You want to make sure that your logo is properly displayed for customers purchasing your products. All that you need to do here is select a file or enter a URL. I'm just going to click local, and I'm going to choose to upload my logo, which is the Jiggity word mark. By double clicking, you will see that it has changed to add it here. Just underneath, you will see an opportunity to add alt text or alternative text. If you don't put anything here, it will stay as the word that you have for your company name. But I'm going to type in Jiggity logo. This means that someone who is blind, or maybe if their computer is slow and the logo isn't loading correctly, the computer will still know what it is. Next, you have your logo for invoices. So again, any invoices that are going to your customers, you will want to have your logo on it. So you can just select local and then scroll through your computer until you find the Jiggity word mark, or in your case, maybe it would be your company logo. And when you double click, it will upload here. Once again, I'm just going to type in Jiggity word mark this time. So that's it. As you're setting up your vendor account, you're just going to click on each individual button and fill in all of the information that you want. In the future, of course, you can choose a different plan, but for right now, you can't beat free. And finally, terms and conditions. This is where you will want to communicate to your customers your return, refund, and shipping policies, all of the really important information for them to know. So please go ahead and make some kind of terms and conditions for your customers. You'll see by the little question mark arrow, it gives you a little bit more information. So it says if you want a customer to agree to your terms and conditions at checkout, you have to fill it in. If you leave it empty, the customer proceeds without agreement. Congratulations on creating your vendor profile on Jiggity. Next, we're going to learn how to start adding products to your store.